Are you ready to revolutionize your health? Kale, often hailed as a superfood, is packed with life-enhancing nutrients that could be the key to a healthier you. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, this leafy green not only combats chronic diseases but also boosts your everyday vitality. Don't wait to transform your diet and your life. Dive into the world of kale today and see just how tasty being healthy can be. From curly to dinosaur, red Russian, and Cavolo Nero, the diverse types of kale offer a wealth of nutrients that support heart health, improve bone density, and aid in digestion, making it essential to include in your diet for optimal health. Kale is often classed as a superfood due to its dense nutritional profile and associated health benefits. Here are some key factors that contribute to its superfood status. Nutrient density. Kale is exceptionally rich in vitamins and minerals, particularly vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin C, and manganese. A single cup of raw kale provides well over the recommended daily intake of vitamins A and K, along with significant amounts of vitamin C and manganese. Antioxidant properties. Kale contains high levels of antioxidants such as beta-carotene, vitamin C, flavonoids, and polyphenols. These substances help counteract oxidative damage caused by free radicals in the body, which can lead to chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. Anti-inflammatory effects. The high concentration of antioxidants in kale also contributes to its anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is linked to a host of health problems, and consuming anti-inflammatory foods like kale can help reduce these risks. Heart health benefits. Kale promotes heart health through various mechanisms. It contains bile acid sequestrants, which can help lower cholesterol levels. High fiber content and improves overall cardiovascular health. Support for digestive health. Kale is a good source of fiber, which is essential for healthy digestion. Fiber helps to promote regular bowel movements and may prevent digestive disorders like constipation and diverticulitis. Support for bone health. High in calcium and vitamin K, kale is beneficial for maintaining strong, healthy bones. Vitamin K is crucial for bone health as it helps in the formation of proteins required for bone maintenance. Protein. Kale is not only rich in vitamins and minerals but also provides a surprising amount of plant-based protein, making it an excellent addition to any diet focused on building strength and maintaining muscle health. These attributes make kale an excellent addition to a healthy diet, contributing to its classification as a superfood. By including kale in your meals, you're not only adding variety but also significantly boosting the nutritional value of your diet. Individuals with thyroid conditions should consult their healthcare provider before adding kale to their diet, as its goitrogenic properties can interfere with thyroid hormone synthesis, especially when consumed in large quantities. Thank you for exploring the incredible benefits of kale with us today. If you found this information helpful and are eager to learn more about how simple changes in your diet can lead to lasting health improvements, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful health tips, nutritious recipes, and the latest wellness trends. By subscribing, you'll join a community committed to thriving through healthy choices. Share your kale experiences in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Let's journey together towards better health, one meal at a time.